Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient, the 11-in-1 Steam Mop, a multi-purpose floor cleaner that does it all. We've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 11-in-1 Steam Mop? This innovative cleaning device is designed to tackle a variety of surfaces in your home, from hardwood and tile floors to windows and even your car interior. It's a versatile steamer that can quickly transition from a traditional mop to a handheld cleaner, making it an all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs. Let's explore some of its most important features. First off, this Steam Mop heats up in just 25 seconds, ensuring that you won't be waiting around to start cleaning. The powerful steam reaches a temperature of 260 degrees Fahrenheit, which is effective at breaking down tough stains and sanitizing surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. The device also offers 3 adjustable steam output settings: high, medium, and low. This flexibility allows you to customize the steam output based on the type of surface you're cleaning or the nature of the mess. Another highlight of the 11-in-1 Steam Mop is its dual-use functionality. It can seamlessly transform from a floor steamer to a lightweight handheld cleaner. This means that you can easily tackle various surfaces, whether it's cleaning tiles in your kitchen, scrubbing shower walls, or freshening up furniture and clothing. The possibilities are virtually endless, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks throughout your home. For those of you concerned about maneuverability, you'll appreciate the extra-long 23-foot power cord that comes with this Steam Mop. This feature provides you with the freedom to clean large rooms without the hassle of unplugging or switching outlets. Coupled with a flexible threaded hose, you'll find that you can reach high ceilings, under furniture, and into tight corners with ease. The 380 milliliters removable water tank is another practical aspect of this Steam Mop. With its transparent design, you can easily monitor your water levels, ensuring that you won't have to stop frequently to refill. At the lowest steam setting, you can enjoy continuous steam for up to 30 minutes, or about 15 to 20 minutes on higher settings. This means you can clean more efficiently with fewer interruptions. One of the standout features of the 11-in-1 Steam Mop is its chemical-free cleaning capability. It relies solely on high-temperature steam to deeply clean and sanitize surfaces. This makes it a fantastic option for families with children and pets, or anyone who may have allergies or sensitivities to chemical cleaners. It's an eco-friendly alternative that still delivers powerful cleaning results. So, who is this Steam Mop suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking for a quick and effective way to keep your home clean, or perhaps a pet owner dealing with stubborn stains, this product can be a game-changer. It is also ideal for anyone who wants a versatile cleaning tool that can handle a variety of surfaces without the need for multiple products. In practical use, imagine being able to clean your hardwood floors and then quickly switch to steaming your kitchen countertops or even your bathroom tiles, all with one device. The 11-in-1 Steam Mop simplifies your cleaning routine and allows you to tackle various chores without the need for numerous cleaning supplies. In conclusion, the 11-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile, efficient, and eco-friendly cleaning solution that caters to a wide range of cleaning needs. With its quick heating, dual-use functionality, long reach, and chemical-free operation, it's a smart addition to any home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.